Standard 9th, Subject Geography, Chapter number 1, the Distributional Maps. In the earlier videos, we have learnt about the three distributional methods. First one is dot method, second one is choropleth method, and the third one is isopleth method. In this video, we are going to learn the last point of our lesson, which is the geographical field visit. Field visit is an important study method in geography. Geographical concepts and elements can be directly experienced through field visit. Field visits are extremely useful for understanding the correlation between human and environment. Now, what is field visit? Field visit means some of you think that it is one kind of picnic, but actually it's not a picnic. It means absolutely educational trip. You have to go out and acquire practical and educational knowledge. Generally, our chapter is related with the geography, so we will study the geographical field visit here. Scientific study is depend on your observation. For example, you visit a specific area and observe temperature of that particular area, or you visit a particular lake and you will observe the salinity of that particular water which is accumulated in that lake. Means all this is depend on your field visit purpose. Field visit means a combined geographical, historical and scientific study. It is one kind of educational trip. It includes teacher, tour guide and all the students. Now, why field visit is an important study method in geography? The answer of this question is like this. Geographical concepts and elements can be directly experienced through field visit. Second point is field visits are extremely useful for understanding the correlation between human beings and the environment. Now the next point is preparations for field visit. Here, before going for a field visit, you have to decide the place and the purpose of the visit. Means, first of all, you have to decide place. For example, if you decided to visit Matheran, what is the purpose of this visit? We are going to understand the flora and fauna of the Matheran, to understand the physiography, temperature, rainfall and salinity of particular water of that mountain. This is our purpose of the visit. Second point is the elements which will be observed in field visit should be decided. Here, which elements we should observe there and what we include in that elements, means which elements we should include in our observation. First one is, are there people living? Second thing, their lifestyle of the people of that particular area, food, culture, transport system, plants, trees, rainfall, etc. Location, we have already decided to visit the Matheran. So here the next important thing is the route. How do we go there? We go there by train and then mini train. These are your transport route. The next thing is, for field visit you should carry a notebook, specimen questionnaire, pen, pencil, scale, tape, compass, a bag for collecting samples, maps, camera, and any other item needed. Now the next point is selection of study area. What we have to do here? We have to select one particular area for the study of various elements. And how should we select the elements? The elements should be selected after studying the local conditions and acquiring the necessary permissions from the authority of that particular area. Now we will see what is field report. The report written on the basis of the information obtained from a field visit is known as field report. Now the last point is distinguish between choropleth and isopleth method. In choropleth method maps, the distribution of various variables are shown by shading or using tints of the same color, whereas in isopleth method maps, the distribution of various variables are shown with the help of isolines. Second one, when the distribution of variable is not continuous, the choropleth method is used, whereas in isopleth method, when the distribution of variable is continuous, the isopleth method is used. And the last point, choropleth method is used to show population density, cattle distribution, etc., whereas the isopleth method are used to show altitude, temperature, rainfall of a region, etc.